If you're passionate about grilling as I am, you know that the right charcoal can make all the difference. Today I want to talk to you about my go-to choice, Kingsford Original Charcoal Briquettes. What I love about Kingsford is the quality and consistency you get with every single briquette. They're made from real high-quality wood and natural ingredients, ensuring that you get a reliable burn every time. Lighting them up is a breeze. Within about 15 minutes, these briquettes are ready to cook, giving you more time to focus on preparing your food and enjoying the grilling experience. Whether I'm grilling up some juicy steaks, burgers, chicken wings, or even ribs, Kingsford Original Charcoal Briquettes provide a consistent heat that makes it easy to achieve that perfect sear and smoky flavor we all love. The even heat distribution means no more hot spots or uneven cooking, plus the smoky aroma that these briquettes create is absolutely mouthwatering. So, if you want to elevate your grilling game, I highly recommend giving these Kingsford Original Charcoal Briquettes a try. Their quality, consistency, and great flavor make them an essential part of my grilling routine.